The $10,000 Dare My Side Hustle adventure begins. This is not just any journey, it's a quest to transform dreams into reality, to turn ideas into income, and to prove that with the right mindset, anything is possible. You want to make $10,000 in a week? It sounds like a lofty goal, right? But let me tell you, it's not as far-fetched as it seems. With determination, strategy, and a bit of creativity, you can achieve it. I did it. You can too. I started with nothing but a burning desire to succeed and a willingness to put in the work. And guess what? It paid off. You have that same potential within you. It's not magic. It's hustle. It's about putting in the hours, making smart decisions, and staying focused on your goals. It's about turning every spare moment into an opportunity to move closer to your dreams. It's about side hustles, baby. Those little projects you work on after your 9 to 5, the ones that ignite your passion and creativity. They hold the key to unlocking financial freedom. That's right, those passion projects you do after your 9 to 5. Whether it's painting, coding, crafting, or any other skill you have, these hobbies can be transformed into lucrative side hustles. They can make you serious cash. Imagine turning your favorite pastime into a steady stream of income. It's not just a dream, it's a reality waiting to happen. Don't believe me? I'll show you how. I'll take you through my journey, step by step, and reveal the strategies that helped me achieve my financial goals. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building something sustainable, something that grows over time. It's about creating a foundation for long-term success. This is about hard work, smart choices, and a whole lot of hustle. It's about making sacrifices, staying up late, and pushing through challenges. But in the end, it's all worth it. I'm talking about turning your skills, your passions, into profit. Whether you're a baker, a writer, a designer, or a tech enthusiast, there's a market out there for your talents. We're diving deep into the trenches of my $10,000 week. You'll see the highs and lows, the triumphs and setbacks, and everything in between. It's a raw, unfiltered look at what it takes to succeed. You'll get the step-by-step, no BS guide to replicate my success. I'll break down the process into manageable steps so you can follow along and apply the same principles to your own side hustle. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur. It's time to tap into your potential and take control of your financial future. You have the power to make it happen. This is your sign to stop dreaming and start doing. No more excuses, no more waiting for the perfect moment. The time is now. Let's turn that side hustle into a money-making machine. Are you in? Join me on this adventure and let's make those dreams a reality together. The journey starts now. Flipping the script from garage sales to online gold mines. One of my favorite side hustles, flipping. It's simple, buy low, sell high. My grandma taught me this at garage sales. Now it's my online game. Think vintage clothes, rare sneakers, collectibles, anything with value. First, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know about? Research online marketplaces. eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. They're gold mines. Look for underpriced items. Check for quality, authenticity, and demand. Once you've got your inventory, it's time to sell. Take high-quality photos, write compelling descriptions, price it right, be responsive to inquiries, ship quickly and securely. Good reviews are key. The art of the side hustle, picking your passion project. This is a journey that can be both exciting and daunting. It's about finding that one thing that not only brings you joy, but also has the potential to bring in some extra income. Not all side hustles are created equal. Some might seem lucrative but could end up being more stressful than rewarding. Others might be enjoyable but not financially viable. The trick is to find a balance. The key is to pick one that you're passionate about. Passion fuels perseverance. When you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work. It becomes a part of who you are, something you look forward to every day, something you enjoy doing, even after a long day. Imagine coming home from your 9 to 5 job and still having the energy and enthusiasm to work on your side hustle. That's the power of passion. Remember, this is about more than just money. While financial gain is a significant factor, the sense of accomplishment and personal growth you get from building something of your own is invaluable. It's about building something of your own, something that reflects your skills, interests, and values. It's about creating a legacy, no matter how small it might seem at first. Think about your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? These are crucial questions to ask yourself when picking a passion project. Are you a creative writer? Offer freelance writing services? The internet is full of opportunities for writers, from blogging to content creation to copywriting. Got a knack for photography? Become a freelance photographer. Love dogs? There's always a demand for dog walkers and pet sitters. The possibilities are endless. Start a dog walking business. Do your research. See what's in demand. Look at market trends and see where your skills can fill a gap. Find a niche where you can excel. Specializing in a particular area can set you apart from the competition and make your side hustle more successful. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different things until you find the perfect fit. It's okay to fail and start over. Each attempt brings you closer to finding your true passion. Try different things until you find the perfect fit. The journey of discovering your passion project is as important as the destination. Enjoy the process and learn from each experience. The right side hustle will energize you, not drain you. It will bring a sense of fulfillment and joy, making your life richer and more meaningful. So take your time, explore your options, and pick a passion project that truly resonates with you. Section 4. Hustle hard, play hard. Time management for the side hustle champion. In today's fast-paced world, balancing a full-time job with a side hustle can be incredibly challenging. But with the right strategies, you can make it work seamlessly. Time management is crucial when you're hustling on the side. Every minute counts, and how you allocate your time can make or break your success. You've got a 9-to-5, a social life, maybe even a family. Balancing all these responsibilities requires a strategic approach. It's not just about finding time, but making time for what truly matters. So how do you fit it all in? The key lies in effective planning and prioritization. Start by identifying your goals and breaking them down into actionable steps. It's about working smarter, not harder. Prioritize your time. Focus on high-impact tasks that move the needle forward. Use tools like sticky notes or digital planners to keep track of your priorities. Identify your most productive hours. Are you a night owl or an early bird? Use these peak times to tackle your most demanding side hustle tasks. Use them for your side hustle. Dedicate a specific time each day or week solely for your side project. Consistency is key to making progress. Create a schedule and stick to it. A well-structured schedule helps you stay on track and ensures that you allocate time for both your main job and your side hustle. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. This makes large projects less overwhelming and allows you to make steady progress. Use productivity tools to stay organized. Apps like Trello, Asana, or even simple to-do lists can help you keep track of your tasks and deadlines. Don't be afraid to say no to distractions. Turn off notifications, set boundaries, and let others know when you're in focus mode. Remember, focus is your friend. A distraction-free environment can significantly boost your productivity. Find a quiet space where you can concentrate fully on your work, and don't forget to take breaks. Burnout is real. Schedule time for yourself. Short breaks can rejuvenate your mind and body, making you more efficient in the long run. Recharge and come back stronger. Whether it's a walk in the park, reading a book, or simply relaxing, taking time for yourself is essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Section 5. The $10,000 scorecard, tracking your side. Hustle success. You can't improve what you don't track. Keep a close eye on your progress. It'll help you stay motivated and make smarter decisions. Track your earnings, of course, but also track your time, your expenses, your conversion rates. Use spreadsheets, apps, whatever works for you. Analyze your data regularly. What's working? What's not? Adjust your strategies accordingly. This is how you turn a side hustle into a well-oiled machine. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Every dollar earned, every customer gained, it's all progress. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Section 6. Level up your hustle, from side gig to serious business. Ready to take your side hustle to the next level? It's time to think about scaling. This means increasing your output without increasing your workload proportionally. Sounds like magic, right? It's not. It's about working smarter. Automate repetitive tasks. Use software tools, even virtual assistants. Outsource tasks that others can do better or faster. Focus on your strengths. Delegate the rest. Build a strong online presence. Create a website, social media profiles, even an email list. This will help you reach more customers and build your brand. Remember, you're not just a side hustler anymore. You're an entrepreneur.